Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be analyzing the crash 1000 in order to take a profitable entry. Alright, so this is what I do. I go to the higher time frame in order to see the trend of the market, to see the overall trend of the market. So here on the daily, as you can see right now, we are in a downtrend. So this is what I'm seeing right here. We are in a downtrend, and price is I think the trend is kind of changing. You can see that it broke through our trend line and coming for a retrace, and then I think this is how it's going to go. All right, so let's go to the 4 hours and see how it's going. All right, so I need to look for a sharp scalping entry because that's what I do. I'm a scalper. So I'll go down to the 1 hour time frame. All right, so here on the 1 hour time frame, all right, I need to use some support and resistance zone in order to get quick entries. All right, so this is what I'm seeing right here. You can see some support and resistance zone above here. All right, let me check if it's a strong one. So you can see these guys. You can see the reaction, breakthrough, retest, went up, right? You can see it came down here, bounce up again. So this zone right here is a strong one based on the reaction I'm seeing here. You can see how it's going, guys. And currently here it bounced, went there, and price is now the zone is now resisting and price. All right, so this is kind of a very strong support and resistance zone, and then I can still spot another one down here. There is another support and resistance zone right here, bouncing price up, right? So now that I've seen this, I'll go down to the 30-minute time frame. This is not just a line, it's a zone. So I'll just try to identify the zone. I'll put in some zones here so that I'll know what I'm doing. All right, that's it. I'm kind of in a noisy place right now. I just went and hide myself because I want to do this analysis and I want to show you guys, and I don't want the video to be kind of noisy or something like that. All right, so just bear with me. Let me delete this. All right, so now that I've marked out the zones, all right, let me go down to the 15-minute time frame and see. So here on the 15-minute time frame, I'm going to just put in some trend line, all right, so that I will have a better understanding of what the market. So right now you can see that price is currently breaking below the trend line. It's kind of breaking it, and you can see this, it broke. There's kind of a little retest there, and then I believe that price is going to go down. All right, based on what I'm seeing here, price is going to go down to this next support and resistance zone. All right, so this is how you should do your analysis in order to get better entry. And if it doesn't go down, then I believe this zone here is going to bounce price up, and it's going to retest it and then continue to the upside. Or this is what will happen, it's going to continue spiking to this zone. All right, so in this area now, I can decide to sell to this side. My stop loss is going to be above here. All right, but because I will not be able to monitor this price, so I will not take any entry. But this is how you should do it. All right, if you are watching this video at this moment, this is how you should do it. You should take your entry here because price is kind of breaking the zone right now, and then your target is going to be here, your stop loss is going to be here. All right, so that is how you should do it. If you are to take this entry now, the losses is not going to be much. All right, let me just take is sell now, so that you see. I will check the losses so that you see how small it's going to be. Alright, so this is kind of like a $5 stop loss, and then if you are to take a TP, your TP is going to be alright. Your TP is going to be like $12. You can see the risk to reward ratio, right? If you are losing, you are going to be losing like $5, and if you are making profit, you are going to be making like $12. And you know how spike work, alright? Whenever it spike, maybe it will not like respect your TP, it's going to maybe spike up below it, right? No, normally if you set TP or stop loss for spike, it doesn't respect it, alright? It only respects and support and resistance zone, alright? So let's say if it's breaking this zone now, it's not going to respect that TP, and that will be to your advantage, alright? That's why it's not good to like trade against spike, because whenever it spike against you, it will not respect your stop loss, alright? So you trading, you catching spike now, that is going to be to your advantage, alright? So this is how this market is going to go now. Alright, these are the two way it will happen. Right, so I just say I should like share it with you guys. Alright, so I will just like set my, let me just set my stop loss and maybe eat this money if it goes my way, and if it goes against me, I know what I'll be losing already. If it goes against me, I know what I'll be losing already. So this is the two ways to take this. Alright, I'm just taking this trade just for example purposes. Alright, I'm not supposed to even take any trade because I'm not at home right now. I'm kind of busy, that's why I've not been able to post any video since, but I want to like share something no matter what today. Alright, so that is the reason why I'm making this video right now. Alright, so if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I post a powerful video like this, you get notified immediately. And don't forget to give the video a like. Alright, it will help my videos get recommended to other viewers, alright, who will be needing it like you. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Silver out.